Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, so hope you all are doing fine. And yeah, okay, so today I have with me two products, and this is from the same brand, Wow Skin Science. I know my previous video was also regarding Wow brand. This is also regarding Wow brand. I have purchased a few products from Wow, and I really want to show you that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner, and this is the Vitamin C Face Serum, and this has 20% extra vitamin C. Okay, so let's talk about these one by one. I'll be trying both of these on my face and I'll show you. So this is the Skin Mist Toner, and I have never reviewed a toner on my channel because I don't use a toner much until unless I found this one. Basically, toner is mostly meant for women or people with oily skin. Like if you have oily skin, so yeah, the pores of your skin will be visible. So a toner basically tightens your pores and it makes your skin look a little flawless. So I have dry skin, that's why I never tried this, but this says this is for all skin types, so I thought of giving this a try. Okay, so this says helps to brighten and refresh skin, and this has lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel, and aloe vera extracts. Witch hazel is basically a flowering plant, and that is mostly found in China, Japan, and yeah, this witch hazel has astringent properties. Like when you thread your eyebrows or when you wax your eyebrows or anything, you apply astringent. It kind of cools down your skin, inflamed skin, and also this has witch hazel has antibacterial properties as well. So yeah, so it's good in a way. So this retails for 399 rupees, 400 rupees, and this is 200 ml in quantity, and this will expire by 2022. So you have a lot of time. So this actually claims to give you a brighter and even toned complexion, and also this says that this will refresh your dry and tired skin, and also this will provide deep hydration, minimizes pores and adds supplement, balances and calms skin, improves skin texture, evens out patchy complexion, and also brightens dull skin. This is what this claims. And as this says, lemon is known to brighten up your skin and give you a nice glow. And basically orange will help if you have acne prone skin. Orange will really help in minimizing that, and also orange essential oil has anti-aging properties. Okay, and this has witch hazel is an astringent, as I told you, and this minimizes pores, balances sebum and redness of skin. Okay, and this is aloe vera, which you know aloe vera is very good for skin. This says results may vary based on skin condition. Okay, if you have dry skin, you might feel that your skin is getting a little more dry. If you have oily skin, it will have a different effect. So the result will differ from skin to skin. Okay, so yeah, so let's just open this. This is the bottle. The size is quite nice, I guess, for 400 rupees. So basically, there can be two purposes of this. Either you can apply this on your face and rub it with and just wipe it off with a cotton pad, or you can apply it on your face and just let it air dry. There are two ways to use this. You can also use this to remove your makeup, and basically toner is used after washing your face and before applying any serum or moisturizer. There are so many things, yeah, so many things you have to do to take care of your skin. I am amazed. And this also has a big booklet. So this is basically the entire catalog of this Wow brand. This is the entire catalog. You can find almost every product over here. I'll purchase something else as well once I just read this carefully. And what else is this? Yeah, but they are just saying hello. Okay, hello. Okay, so basically they are just talking about their product and everything. This is an Indian brand. I told you last time. This is an Indian brand, and they are also saying not happy. Okay, if you in any case if you are not happy with the product, you can just give them a call, or just Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can just um, just ping them. And this is really cute. They say our relationship does not end with the sale, we care for you. For expert advice, call a number. So okay, that's really nice. I like these kind of brands when they add a personal touch, and when they make you feel very special. I told you last time also. Okay, so how you have to use this, you don't have to shake it, right? Okay, you You have to shake it. So my face is cleansed right now. I have not applied anything on my face. Yeah, I've just washed my face. That's why my skin is looking a little dry. So I have to just apply this on my face, right? Few inches away. First of all, this. Oh, this smells like oranges. Okay, orange. This smells like oranges. Now I'll just let it dry, or you can just from your hand, yeah, using your fingers, you can just pat it inside your skin. Again, as I told you, this you can also use this to remove your makeup, but I think you use it on bare skin. I think that will be much better. Don't just waste it use by using it just to remove your makeup. Don't waste it like that. I think you should use it over a cleansed face. You'll really feel very good. My skin is not feeling irritated or anything. It's feeling good, and this is drying up. Okay. This has purified water, glycerine, witch hazel, and orange essential oil, and lemon essential oil, etc. etc. These are a lot of good ingredients. And as I told you, this has not been tested on animals, so that's a plus point. Okay. So yeah, it has settled inside. Yeah, nothing on my skin. I guess yes. So the toner has completely settled inside my skin, and now I'll do the second step, and that is the serum. If you use a serum will really help in reducing your fine lines, and also this evens out complexion. This mist also evens out complexion. So what about this? This has vitamin C, and this has witch hazel. This also has witch hazel, and this has hyaluronic acid, and this helps to hydrate your skin and also brightens complexion. This is very good for people who have dull skin or who have a little darker skin. This is very beneficial for those people. This actually retails for 699 rupees, 700, and this is 30 ml in quantity. This has vitamin C and witch hazel. This also has witch hazel. This helps in hydrating and repairing skin. So all you have to do is you have to take a pea-sized amount of this serum on your palm, and you have to rub it on your face gently and let it soak inside. Yeah, and after that you can apply any moisturizer or anything, whatever you feel like. Okay, so yeah, so let's just try this. So this is the texture. I don't know why this smells like Rooh Afza. I don't know why I feel that. I don't know, with lemon and orange and everything. I don't know why somehow this is smelling like Rooh Afza, which is really weird. Okay, so I'll just apply it on my face. It will be better if you pat it inside your skin, like let it soak. Especially target it over your affected areas, which I mean, if you have pigmentation on your face, or if you have fine lines, or acne spots, or blemishes or anything, if you just target this serum over that area, that will be also very beneficial. You never ever forget your neck. Always apply any skincare product which you are applying on your face, always apply that on your neck as well, because the skin of our neck is also very sensitive and it requires a lot of attention. I don't apply it on my neck because I'm just showing you the product. I'm just doing a demo of that. That's why I don't apply it everywhere. But whenever you are applying a product like this, or anything which you're doing on your face, you have to do it on your neck as well. Otherwise your neck will show the signs of aging, your face will not, and that will look more weird. So always remember that. Never forget your neck. And also it will be best if you use it at night before sleeping, because then you will get entire 8 to 9 hours this serum will be on your face, and this will work the way it should work. So it will be better if you use it at night. And as far as the toner is concerned, you can use the toner in the morning after washing your face. If you are like, if you're going out somewhere, and you can carry this toner with you, and you can just spritz on your face if your face is feeling a little oily or dull. You can just spritz it, just spray it over your face and wait for a few seconds. It will get absorbed, and your face will also look very nice and fresh. Yeah, so these are the two products which I showed you, and I showed you on my skin as well. So these are really good. No irritation, nothing is in front of you. You can see there is no irritation, redness or nothing. And you know very well that my skin gets very irritated if I try anything new. But this product is really good. Nothing, no irritation. I don't even feel like I've applied anything on my face. It's feeling so soft and smooth. Yeah, so I'll give the link in the description box. That's a non-sponsored link, of course, and I'll put the link in the description box. If you want to purchase, you can purchase this. So that was it. I will see you guys next time with another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.